Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action from the daily time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and analyze the current trend of the price action and mark the current support and resistance levels from the higher time frame to lower time frames. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Monday, May 8th, and we have two bank holidays, British bank holiday and French bank holiday. We don't have any high impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs, so we can expect low volatility in gold for today. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now, and when we look at the price action in daily time frame, after testing this resistance level or the supply zone, which was around 2066, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So for now, this level of 2066 is acting as a very strong resistance zone for the current price action in daily time frame. And when we look at the support zone or the demand zone, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement from the support level of 1977. So this level is going to be acting as a very strong support zone for the current price action in daily time frame. Previously the price action went on a bullish side retracement and it is on a bearish side retracement for now, and if the price action wants to continue with bearish side retracement, it has to break this demand zone in order to fall further on the bearish side retracement. So when we look at the overall trend of the price action, let us mark the support and resistance lines. So we are noticing the price action to make higher highs and higher lows. Again it has made higher highs and currently it is trying to make a higher lows. So it is on a bullish trend for now, trading within this support line and the resistance line. And as long as the price action is trading within this resistance and support line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in daily time frame. Let us look at the support and resistance levels. So currently the price action has tested this support level of 2003. And we have noticed that today's candles to open at the same level where the previous candles have closed, which means that the price action has taken support on this support level, and we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and immediate resistance is going to be around 2020, and once this resistance level is breached, next level of resistance is going to be around 2033, 2046, 2066 and 2090. And on the bearish side, only if the price action breaks this support level of 2003, we can expect it to continue with bearish side retracement, and next level of support is going to be around 1976. But before that, it has to break this trend line or the support line from the past price action. And once the price action breaks this support level of 1976, we can expect a very steep fall on the bearish side retracement. For now, the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend in daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame, and when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, previously it was in a bullish trend, and after testing this resistance line, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. It has taken support around the previous support level, which was around 2003 or 04. And currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Again, this level, which is around 2020, had acted as a very strong resistance level. Wait for the price action to break this resistance level in order to freshly enter on the bullish side retracement, and we have a very strong resistance level which is around 2030 or 2037. It has to break this resistance level in order to continue further on the bullish side retracement. For now, the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is on a bearish side retracement. It is trying to form an head and shoulder pattern. It has to break the previous low, which is going to be around 2003, in order to continue further to retest on this trend line or the support line. But again, I would advise you to draw a trend line or the resistance line to make decisions on the entry point. You should enter only at the resistance levels or the level where the price is testing this trend line or the resistance line, and wait for the price action to bounce back on the bearish side, based on which you can enter on the bearish side trade. And if the price action breaches this resistance line, it will be the continuation of the bullish side retracement, based on which you can enter on the bullish side trade in 4 hours time frame. Never enter in the mid of the trend. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and when we look at the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame, I'm connecting the previous lows with the current low and marking as a trend line, and we can clearly notice that it is in a bearish trend. The current price action has tested this daily time frame support level of 20.03, and we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And even if the bullish side retracement continues, we can expect it to take resistance on the 4 hours time frame trend line or the resistance line. And overall, when we look at the current trend of the price action, it is trading within a 4 hours time frame resistance line and the support line on a bearish trend. In the lower time frame, you can be trading within this resistance line and the support line, and for the higher time frame, wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bullish side from this resistance line, or give a breakout from this trend line or support line from the daily time frame on the bearish side in order to enter into the directional trade in higher time frames. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So currently the price action is trading between the support level of 2013. Once this support level is breached, next level of support is going to be around 2000, and next will be the trend line or support line from the daily time frame. Once this trend line is breached, next level of support is going to be around 1977 and 1965 on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the price action takes support on the current support level of 2013 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 2023, 2031, 2037, 2041, 2045, 2051, 2059 and 2066. And the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame and hourly time frame is temporarily on a bearish side retracement, but the overall trend of the price action in daily time frame is in a bullish trend for now, which means that the current bearish trend in lower time frame is only a retracement. It's not a trend reversal on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame, and for the 30 minutes time frame also I'm going to draw one more trend line or the resistance line to understand the current trend of the price action and to make decisions on the entry levels. So based on this resistance line, we can notice that the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish side in 30 minutes time frame. Currently it has taken resistance on the 30 minutes time frame trend line or the resistance line. Wait for the price action to break the previous low, which is going to be around 2014, in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trade, or wait for the price action to break the resistance line on the higher time frame resistance level of 2020 in order to freshly enter on the bullish side trade in 30 minutes time frame. And next target will be around 2033 from the higher time frame. So currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 2018 and support level of 2003. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 2018, next level of resistance is going to be around 2028, 2035, 2043, 2046, 2053 and 2066. And on the bearish side, if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, the immediate support is going to be the previous support level, which is going to be around 2003. Once this support level is breached, next level of support is going to be around 1996 and 1977 on the bearish side. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.